The clamour around postponing the NEET, which is the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, and the Joint Entrance Exam, which is the JEE, has been intensifying not just in India but across the world. Many political leaders have written to the central government asking them to postpone the examinations as demanded by the students in the wake of the ongoing coronavirus crisis. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the Supreme Court on 17th of August ordered that the NEET and the JEE exams will be held as per schedule in the month of September, which is next month, amid the ongoing coronavirus crisis. The Supreme Court also said that the careers of the students cannot be put under jeopardy as it dismissed a petition filed by 11 students demanding postponement of the examinations. Now, the 11 students who filed the petition in the Supreme Court were from different states who demanded that the exams be postponed until normalcy is restored in the country. Just to make it clear, ladies and gentlemen, the students do not want the exams to be cancelled. They want it to be delayed or postponed until coronavirus is completely eradicated from the country. The students in their petition also demanded an increase in the examination centers for both the exams across the country. Now, in support of the Supreme Court's order, the Medical Council of India also said that if there is any delay or postponement of the NEET examinations, it will cause a drastic deviation in the academic schedule of the students and also affect their subsequent academic years. The Supreme Court's order has caused massive outrage across the country, with several students coming out in protest against the order. Now, let me quickly take you through some reactions from the political fraternity. Many ministers and leaders from different parties and states have written to Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal demanding postponement of NEET and the JEE exams. In their letters, they've mentioned that no decision should be taken in haste that puts several lakhs of lives at risk. Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, among several other ministers, have also written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding the postponement of both the examinations. Now, while coronavirus is one aspect, another very crucial aspect that we're missing out on is the fact that many states across the country received incessant rains this year. Many states were flooded, which is why many students could not prepare for their examinations the way they could have if the situation was normal. Talking about international reactions, climate activist Greta Thunberg also tweeted about the examinations to be held in India. In her tweet, she wrote, "It's deeply unfair that the students of India are being asked to sit for national exams during COVID-19 pandemic and while millions have been impacted by extreme floods in the country." Now, in case of the JEE mains examination, the National Testing Agency has increased the number of examination centers as demanded by the students in their petition filed in the Supreme Court. The NTA has added 90 new centers, bringing down the average number of candidates per center to 1,445 as compared to 1,871 earlier. In total, there will be 660 examination centers for the JEE mains in the month of September. Talking about NEET, about 16 lakh students have registered for the NEET exam this year. In case of those exams, the average number of candidates per center has been brought down to 416 from that of 597 in 2019. The number of centers have also been drastically increased to 3,842 from an earlier 2,546. The number of shifts has also been increased from an earlier 8 to 12 now, which means that the number of candidates per shift have been decreased from 1.32 lakh, which was earlier, to 85,000 now. Now, let me take you through the standard operating procedures or the SOPs adopted by the testing agency to smoothly conduct the examinations amid the coronavirus scare. To begin with, the candidates will have to maintain social distancing at all points of time. The seating arrangement at examination centers have also been planned keeping in view the social distancing protocols. All the candidates who fail to bring their own masks and sanitizers will be provided with both the items at the examination centers. There will be a provision of thermal checkup outside the examination centers. Now, for safety and hygiene protocols, the entire infrastructure, right from the door handles to the walls, gates and the desks of the examination centers, will be sanitized and disinfected before and after the examination. Body frisking, which basically means physically checking someone, will not be permitted. Now, many students have applied for the NEET examinations from the Gulf countries. The Supreme Court on 24th of August declined to pass direction to the central government to conduct the NEET examination in the Gulf countries. However, the Supreme Court asked the government to allow students to come to India via the Vande Bharat mission and appear for the examinations. The Supreme Court also said that the quarantine norms are mandatory for all those who come from the Gulf countries and appear for the examinations. While the Supreme Court and the central government has decided to go ahead and conduct the NEET and the JEE examinations amid the coronavirus pandemic, all we can hope for is that all the protocols mentioned by the National Testing Agency during the conduct of the examinations be followed and the security and the safety of the students remain the utmost priority.